Hello friends, in this particular video tutorial we are going to discuss a little bit about control structures available in Java programming language. So I'll just name all the control structures so that it will be a brush up for all of you, those who are from C, C++ background. And the control structure syntax and semantics are almost very similar to C and C++ way of programming structure. So I'll just tell the basic segregations of the control structure in Java programming language. So basically the control structure has been divided or segregated into three different parts. Decision control structure, where all the if state conditional statements will come into the picture. So what are all the types of control structures we can see over here? If else, nested if with and operator, if with or operator, fine. All these types of segregations will be available over here. Then we can have another one control structure, that is loop control structure. So again, what are all the segregations will fall over here? For loop, while loop, do while loop, and another special loop is there in Java programming and JavaScript programming, that is for each loop. Which is very much useful for traversal of single dimensional array and collections. So this is useful for traversing single dimensional array and collections. One second. Sorry, 1 second. Yes. So these are all the different loops available in controls available, and another one control structure is case control structure, which is also a generic structure available in C, C++ way of programming languages, and where we will usually we are working on switch case. So we can handle multiple cases. So Java also supports case control structure. So I'm not talking more about the syntax and semantics of if else, nested if with and operator and not operator. Even I'm not talking more about, or I'm not talking about the syntax of for loop, while loop and do while loop. Only I will complete the explanation, syntax and execution scenario for each loop, because it is completely a new loop infra which is used for Java, and it can be used in JavaScript. So and it is only useful for traversing the array as well as other collections and high-end data structures. So case control structure also I'll not speak about it, because I believe that all of us knows already the basic control structures: if else, nested if with AND operator, if with OR operator, and for loop, while loop, do while loop, and switch case. So with all this I'll just complete this. This is a list of things I gave so that you can refer and you can make R&D if you have not worked with all this. So in next video session, immediately after single dimensional array, we will be working on the control structure called loop control structure for each loop. Fine. So thanks for watching the video. Happy learning.